Bill from Twin Lakes has a question about replacement cabinets.
Well, their post-flood cabinets are MIA, Tom. Bill writes, our contractor has delayed several weeks. He's been delayed with our kitchen cabinets. He blames his supplier because RTA cabinets have been back-ordered.
I bet you everything right now with Harvey is back-ordered, so I do feel the pain.
Well, now he proposes on-site built pine wood cabinets that he'd prime and spray with 2 coats of white stain. And Bill wants to know, Tom, is that the right way to go?
Well, we've done, and I've built multi-million-dollar homes, and we've done on-site built cabinets, and they're just gorgeous. So it's all on the quality of who's going to build them. Someone like Trifection, they do what I call a hybrid. They take all the measurements on site, they build them in their shop, and they fit perfectly, so they're even better than on site. And I tell you why, because if you're living in the house like their clients do, they don't have to smell all the lacquer and everything, because everything's pre-finished before it comes in, which I think is absolutely outstanding. Even the skins they use on the refacing. But the bottom line is pine okay? If you want a pine-looking cabinet, it would be pine. You want oak or maple, you would use different types of woods.
You could use pine on the frame and put the nicer finished wood on the front, couldn't you?
I don't think you would do that, because if you do a high cabinet pine, it's not cheap.
Really?
Yeah, you got that knotty pine look. You can get there. I mean, you're using real high quality wood for cabinets. It's not you're buying some cheap 2x4s and building a cabinet out of. You don't want to do that. So it really has a lot to do with the look. And if you're looking for that,
unless that's the look you're going for, maybe you want.
Well, you could be very campy,
ratty ass looking.
Yes.
Crap on the wall.
Okay. Well, I'm not going to go there. The bottom line is this: if you want that knotty pine, beautiful, gorgeous pine look, and you want that whitewash, I guess the white stain would be a whitewash look.
Yeah, it looks that way.
Then there's nothing wrong with that at all. It sure would speed up the process. That's for sure.
We have built on-site cabinets in our house, and Trifection came and refaced them, and they look like custom cabinets.
And those are mine in my house, too.
There you go. So you'll be fine. You'll be even better if you send us your questions. You got home improvement questions, send them to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Check our videos over here. And, hey, subscribe to our channel, will you?